Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Maita Pespra. I am 36 years old. I was born in January 13, 1990. I am single. I have 3 children, 2 daughters, 14 years old, 3 years old, and one son, 11 years old. I am high school graduate. I have work experience for 5 years in the Philippines as a housemaid. I serve 4 members of the family, one couple, 4 years old, and 8 years old. My main duties and responsibilities: take care of the children, cleaning, doing laundry, ironing, cooking, and marketing. To my future employer, please choose me as your helper because I am hardworking, honest, and obedient. I will prioritize my work, and I will promise I will finish my 2 years contract and more. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir. I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. Thank you, and God bless.